Grand Rapids, Muskegon, Saugatuck, and Kalamazoo are just a few of the cities in our state who have laws on the books protecting gay people from discrimination. A similar law in Holland failed back in 2011. Today's ruling has advocates hoping that Holland might get another shot. 24-hour News 8's Danny Carlson is live tonight with why and what opponents are saying.
Well, as you mentioned, Sue, that vote to add language to an anti-discrimination law in Holland failed back in 2011 by a vote of 5-4. And basically the ordinance would have said that no one could be discriminated against based on their sexual orientation. Now, today I got a chance to speak with the mayor and also a city council member who voted against that ordinance back in 2011. They said they didn't really have much of a comment today because they don't think that striking down the Defense of Marriage Act has anything to do with their ordinance, but gay rights advocates disagree.
This definitely makes the possibility of a revote in Holland seem less extraordinary. It almost seems more natural now.
Aaron Wilson says equality is all he's looking for gays and lesbians in the city of Holland, taking today's Supreme Court decision as a good sign for the future.
It's just one more confirmation that this is the direction that we're going in. And it's the direction that we started in.
Wilson says he's now hoping for a revote in the city of Holland, putting sexual orientation on the list of ways people cannot be discriminated against. That would also put the city in line with several other large West Michigan cities like Grand Rapids and Kalamazoo.
The hope is that it would inspire some of the lawmakers in Holland that were going one way with equality to reconsider.
And while City of Holland officials that I spoke to didn't have much of a comment, those who are opposed to gay marriage did. I was able to speak on the phone today with the president of the American Family Association of Michigan. He told me that they expect advocates of gay rights to try to get a revote on that issue in order to add that language to the anti-discrimination ordinance in the City of Holland. He says his group thinks that those types of laws are discriminatory in themselves, and that their group will do everything that it can to make sure it does not become law in Holland. Live tonight, Danny Carlson, 24-hour News 8.